With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, welcome to Doubtnut. Our question is calculate the pH of 0.001 molar HOCl having 25% dissociation. Also calculate dissociation constant of the acid, and log 2 is given as 0.3. Okay, so friends, reaction that will take place as HOCl will dissociate as OH negative plus Cl positive ions. If it was C before, and it will dissociate as alpha, C minus C alpha will be its concentration, OH negative concentration will be C alpha, and Cl positive concentration will also be C alpha. Okay, so C in this reaction is given as 0.001 molar or 10 raised to power minus 3 m. Dissociation alpha is given as 25%, that is 0.25. From here we can calculate C alpha. It will be 10 raised to power minus 3 into 0.25, which is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. It is C alpha, and it is also equal to the concentration of OH negative ions. After finding the concentration of OH negative ions, we can also find the concentration of H positive ions, that is Kw divided by OH negative ion concentration, which will be 10 raised to power minus 14 divided by 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So H positive ion concentration will come out as 4 into 10 raised to power minus molar. Okay, after finding, we can find pH. After finding H positive ion concentration, we can find pH of the solution, which is equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration, that is minus log of 4 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Okay, this will come out as 11 minus 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2, so it will be 2 log 2, and pH of this solution comes out as 11 minus 0.6, that is 10.4. It is the pH of the solution. Okay, so this is the pH of the solution. Okay friends, after finding this, we have to find the dissociation constant of the acid. Let dissociation constant be K. So it will be concentration of OH negative ions, concentration of Cl positive ions divided by concentration of HOCl. OH negative ion concentration is C alpha, which we have already found out, that is 2.5. It is also C alpha. This is chlorine concentration, Cl positive ion concentration is also C alpha, and concentration of HOCl is C minus C alpha. So C alpha is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 whole square divided by HOCl concentration. C was 10 raised to power minus 3 minus C alpha is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay friends, after this 2.5, let's solve the denominator part first. Whole square divided by, it will come out as 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, after solving this, we will get it as 6.25 into 10 raised to power minus 4 divided by 7.5, and the answer comes out as 0.833 into 10 raised to power minus 4, which is the value of K. So our dissociation constant is 0.833 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level, Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.